the dissent. Usually, pag nag-e-end ang relationship, mahal pa rin naman nila yung isa't isa. Itong dalawa, yung isa, they both want to fight for each other. But the other person's way is to let go and grow on his own and grow with God. And the other one wants to stay and fight for what they have. And both are valid. Pero hindi naman pwedeng dalawa yung way mo. Kahit may reason ka, kahit alam mo yung reason kung bakit you had to separate ways, even if you know that that's for your best, masakit pa rin eh. Dito nilalabas niya lahat ng galit niya. Na kung mahirap man magpaalam, mas mahirap magpatawad. Mahirap magpatawad ng mga mahal mo, mahirap magpatawad ng sarili.